Hello everyone, welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle, a Sudoku Heavy in today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday. Almost weekend, Friday, April the 8th, 2022. And yeah, I've told you earlier, we have good news and bad news. Good news is we have extra puzzles, an additional for today. But the sad news is yeah, there was a Russian missile strike in Kramatorsk, and the missile hit a train station with a lot of civilians running away. Um, yeah, I've told you they refugees, yes, refugees want to go to another place with peace, and yeah, a lot of civilians killed by the Russian missile attack. Strike, yes. War news. Alright, let me continue with the Sudoku Heavy. 4378 it will be. Yeah, 4378. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan a puzzle. Well. In this row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number. Wait. No. One conclusion. Let me wait. How about the number? Yeah. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 missing numbers. In the first row, one of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. We see there another 5, so no 5 there, 5 should be here. Yeah. All right. Then. Yeah. We have a 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 5. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 6. Then 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7 in this column, so no 7 there. Here 7 in the second column, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Oh, yes. Digit number 1, number 7. All right. Okay. Then Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the last column, row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Yeah. Yeah. Cannot continue with the 9. Alright. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4. Let me mark those two boxes. 3 and the 4. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next down, only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. Ah, two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, no 1 goes there. Alright, so we have 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then, two missing numbers. In the first row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 4. How about 3, 2 numbers left. In the third row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in one of those two boxes in this column, middle column. So no 3 in this box. Only place left for the 3 should be there. And the 8 goes there. Two missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 3 in one of those two boxes in this column. The middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. And an 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. How about these two numbers in this column? 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. And let me mark those two boxes, 3 and 8. One box left in this column. For number 1, the 2 is missing. Okay, 2, 2, yes. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those two boxes. How about in this big square we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 in these two boxes. Here 2 in the last column, so no 2 in those two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in this row. 2 in one of those two boxes in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. All right. Then. How about these 2 missing numbers? In the first column, 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 6, 6, okay. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, and 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in the third column. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box will be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. And this box should be 9. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, here, 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see this is number 2, number 6. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and that box should be an 8. Okay, 9 in this row. Wait. We have a pair, 9 and an 8 in this row. 9 and an 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 8, 9 and 8. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 it goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this last row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column. The third column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Okay, the 5 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5 are missing. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2, 3, 5. Oh, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. Well, 2 numbers left. In this column, 4 numbers, so 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. So now we have 3 and a 5 missing. 3 and a 5, okay. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Yeah, 2 in this last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. So now we have again 3 and a 5 are left. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box will be a 3, and this box will be a 4. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you, faster than 15 minutes I need for a 1 star. So is this really a heavy? I think the indication is not correct. Heavy ones are mostly with 24, 25 printed digits, or 23, but not 27. If don't think it's a heavy one, it's a light one. Yes. All right. Well, light, medium one. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 7 weeks, and we have here 425, 425, 692, 692, and 148, 148. Here we have, I believe, the 4 as a pair and the 2 as a pair. 2 pairs, I believe. Yes, 2 pairs. Thank you. And see you later with the other 3 puzzles in the additional later on in the evening. Until then, bye bye for now.